Hey, Greg Spindler here. Let me give you some bodywork tips. How about that? Don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you want. I'll be happy to make more videos about whatever you want to hear about. All right, let's talk about the quad area. Now, so many people come in with what we call postural patterns of a torsion, and it's very common for this left side to be in front of the right side or anterior rotated so where it comes down. All right, so we can work in the quad area, the fascia, muscle spindle fibers, and so forth, connective tissue, right? But get your clients involved. What we do in our classes that we teach, we come up with AKR, active kinetic release. And so what we're doing as the therapist works through the tissue here, we get our clients involved by they pumping their feet. So the left foot goes down while the right foot comes up in extension. So we go back and forth. And what that's doing is getting the brain involved in the central nervous system of how it's holding itself. It works in and out of torsion all day long. So what we want to do is treat in and out of left torsion and right torsion with the feet going down. And what that's doing is telling the hips to go anterior and posterior, back and forth, all the way through, up through the dura mater, into the brain, coming back down. Let me know how that goes. I look forward to seeing you in class soon. Please take our workshops, csbworkshops.com. I'll see you soon.